Algebra 2 Notes 1.5 Part 1 Solving Inequalities. So we already did the first page yesterday. Remember that if it's greater than, it's open circle heading to the right. If it's less than or equal to, it's closed circle heading to the left. So let's go ahead and go to the back page. Just a couple practice problems here. So why don't you go ahead and try number 7 and number 8, and then pause the video, and I'll put the answers up here shortly. All right, so you can see that first example. We would solve it, number 7, and then we end up getting x is less than 3. So if I wanted to graph it out, open circle heading to the left. For number 8, if you want to do that one, should be 16 is less than 2x. Don't forget to, when you distribute that 8, distribute that negative through as well. All right, so when you distribute that negative 8, negative 8x, and then minus 8. All right, when you combine the like terms, 2x minus 8x would end up being 16 is less than negative 6x minus 8. My pen's not cooperating here. All right, so then we can move the 8 to the other side to get 24 is less than negative 6x. Finally, you can divide by that negative 6. Don't forget, when you divide by a negative, you've got to flip that inequality symbol around. So then it's negative 4 is greater than x, but when you graph it, you want to read it from the x. So that actually says x is less than negative 4. Or if it helps you out, you can feel free to switch it around. X is less than negative 4. So then go ahead and graph it out. All right, so there's the graph then. So let's take a look at the last two, which has no solutions or all real numbers as solutions. And then you can also again say if it's sometimes true, always true, or never true. So go ahead and get started on solving those two out. For number 9, you can distribute that 4. 8x minus 12 is less than 8x plus 8. We can move 8 to the same side. So if we move the 8x's to the same side, they cancel. So you get negative 12 is less than 8. Is negative 12 less than 8? So think on a number line. Is that a true statement? Yes, negative 12 is less than 8. So we say all real numbers, or always true. All right, number 10, if we set that one up, distribute that negative 2 through. So we negative 6x minus 2 is greater than negative 6x plus 7. And then we move the 6's to the other side, 6x, and it ends up canceling out. So you get negative 2 is greater than 7. Is negative 2 greater than 7? No. So we say no solutions. So there's no number I could put in for x to make this work. This will be never true. Okay? All right. So your assignment is to do the textbook assignment on page 38, 1.5 part 1, 10 through 13, 14 through 26 evens, 46 through 50 evens. And then also, if you did not do the Khan Academy yesterday, you can work on the Khan Academy, which was multi-step inequalities. All right, email me if you need any help.